वालेकुम डियर फ्रेंड्स। आज की जो क्वेश्चन है वो बहुत ही मज़ेदार है, जिनमें पहला क्वेश्चन जो इस सीरीज़ का आरआरबी, एसएससी, एसएसबी, एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ का जो आज का क्वेश्चन है, दैट इज द लेंथ ऑफ ईच साइड ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल इज 12 सेंटीमीटर। हमारे पास एक ट्रायंगल है जिसमें हर एक साइड की जो लेंथ है दैट इज 12 सेंटीमीटर। दिस मीन्स दैट इट इज एन इक्विलेटर ट्रायंगल, तो जिसका साइड है 12 सेंटीमीटर। नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड, what will be the length of the circumradius of the triangle, circumradius of the triangle. See whether it is 2 root 3, 4 root 3, 6 root 3 or 8 root 3. First of all, we must know what is meant by the circumradius. Circumradius, जो ये circumradius होता है, it is equal to, जो हमारा circumradius है, it is a upon root 3. What is a? It is the side of the equilateral triangle. Side of the equilateral triangle. And here what is our side? Side is 12. So this will be 12 upon root 3. And what is that? 12 can be written as 3 into 4 or upon root 3. And this can be written as what? Root 3 square cross 4 upon root 3. This root 3 and this will go and we will get 4 root 3. 4 root 3. So our correct option will be this, 4 root 3. But see what is made by the circumradius. Let's see this question in detail. See, we have two types of radii. One is the in radius and second is the circumradius. दो टाइप्स ऑफ रेडियस हमारे पास होते हैं। द फर्स्ट वन इज द इन रेडियस, दूसरा है सर्कम रेडियस। तो इन रेडियस मीन्स इसके लिए आपको पता होना चाहिए व्हाट इज इन सेंटर। सर्कम रेडियस अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए वी मस्ट नो व्हाट इज सर्कम सेंटर। सर्कम सेंटर, नाउ सी, ये जो इन सेंटर है, इट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ in center is the point of intersection of the angle bisectors. Point of intersection of the angle bisectors. ये जो in center है, it is the point of intersection of angle bisectors. Angle bisectors of a triangle. Of a triangle. That means if these are the angle bisectors, this is first, this will be the second, this will be the third. So this point will be called the in center. This will be the in center. In center. See, ये जो इस वाली ट्रायंगल का जिसमें इन सेंटर दिया गया होता है, नोट दैट दिस इन सेंटर इज इक्विडिस्टेंट फ्रॉम दीज साइड्स, द साइड्स। ये जो इन सेंटर होता है, इट इज इक्विडिस्टेंट फ्रॉम दीज साइड्स। दिस इज डिनोटेड बाय, वी कैन डिनोट इट बाय से आर। दिस इज आर, वी कैन डिनोट इट बाय some letter R. That means we can also draw a circle here, like this, like this. So this is our in radius. This is our in radius, and this is the in center. It is always equidistant from the sides, from these sides of the triangle or the equilateral triangle. If we have A, B, C, and this O is our in center, or you can denote it by I, then we have OA, or we can write P here, Q here, and R here. We have OP is equal to OQ is equal to OR. This point O is equidistant from these sides. So this is about the in center. Also we have the area of this triangle. Area of this triangle is equal to R dot S. R dot S. R is the in radius and this S is the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter of the triangle. Again, now what is the circumcenter? Circumcenter is simply the point of, if we have a triangle, this, and we draw the perpendicular bisectors. We draw the perpendicular bisectors of these sides. These are the perpendicular bisectors of the sides. Say this is A, this is B, this is C. And this point is called the circumcenter. This is the circumcenter. Circumcenter of the triangle. And note that this circumcenter is always equidistant from the vertices of the triangle. That means here we have OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. It is always equal from the vertices of the triangle. This is the circumcenter, and this OA, OB, OC, this is called the circumradius. This is known as the circumradius. And this circumradius, you will see this circumradius is given by R is equal to, just here it is given as A over root 3. This circumradius is A upon root 3. And you will see this. If you will see this in radius, it is equal to, in radius is equal to R. This in radius, it is always equal to A upon 2 root 3. A upon 2 root 3. And here we have ABC. If you will see, in case of this, we have R is equal to ABC upon root 3. You can find this R as by the formula ABC upon root 3. If you will use this area of this triangle is ABC upon root 3, from this we can get R is equal to A upon root 3, and from this formula we can get R is equal to A upon root 3. Now coming to the next question, जो हमारे पास दूसरा क्वेश्चन है